Hey y'all, I am getting ready to record for a YouTube video and I want to play with this ribbon. I have not got to play with it yet. I think it is absolutely beautiful. Look at that, all the colors. And so I thought I would take you around the warehouse and let's pull the products that we're going to make, or that we're going to use to make this design. So I can see I have blue in here from our little bird. So we'll want to pull in some blue. We're going to want to pull in some of this dark pink, maybe some of this green, maybe a softer pink. So we're going to have all the colors with this one. So let's see what we can find. So we have our hydrangeas. I would have liked to use the green hydrangea, but that color is already sold out. We do have a little bit of yellow in there, so we may come back to that. We may come back to those pink hydrangeas. Let's keep looking. So we have some hot pink hydrangeas over here and some hot pink peonies. But I'm thinking maybe we pull in, we have that color, or we have that color. Either one is really pretty. I almost think this one's got a little bit more purpley in it. So I think this one's going to match a little bit better. So let's grab this one. Okay, now I need some blue. So I think we have a 60919 in blue. So I think that will do nice to tie in our blue. So let's grab a couple of these. Let's grab 3 just to be safe. I don't know if I'm going to use all 3, but we'll grab 3. Okay, we got our little hydrangea bush. We're doing good. Okay, what other colors? We've got the green. So I think we have a pretty dahlia, I think is how you say it. Let me set those down for a second. So these little guys might be pretty. It's a little brighter green than what's in the ribbon, but I think it would work. We also have, y'all, look at this. This might even be better. So this has our light pink and our dark pink in it. We may have to pull some of these guys in there. Let me grab like 2 of those. I'm probably going to need 3, so let me just grab 3. Just to be safe. So we've got pinks. We've got blue. We might even could do a little purple. I don't see a whole lot of purple in here. So let's grab a Cosmos. We also have, if we don't want to do the hydrangeas, look, these bright colored Cosmos would be pretty too. Let's pull the purple one and let's see if we want to add some purple in this. There's really not a lot of purple in the ribbon, except for like kind of right in the flowers, a little bit of purplish, pink purple. But let's do it. Let's bring in all the colors. Let's see if we can find a green. We may just have to use our greenery to pull that in. Because these are a little bit brighter. You can see, I mean, it's not terrible. I really wish we would have had the green hydrangeas in stock still, because those would have been perfect. So we may just use our greenery. Let's get a fern. So got a couple different ferns here. I think we'll just go with this mixed fern. Let's grab a couple of those. Okay, what else? Let's maybe grab these. Have the variegation on them, which I kind of like. So let's grab a couple of these. These are our Syngonium sprays. We have a couple Syngonium sprays, but that is a variegated one. So let's grab a couple of these that we can just kind of tuck in between our fern. Okay, so we've got some greenery. We got some different flowers, some filler bushes. I think we're good, y'all. So now you guys kind of see my process when I'm pulling supplies, how I pair things. So usually I'm going to pair it off of the ribbon. Sometimes, very rare, but sometimes I'll pull my greenery and then I'll go find a ribbon that goes with it. But usually I will pull my ribbon and then I'll use those colors to go gather my supplies. So that is how I pull things together. Y'all stay tuned, and we'll be making this wreath very shortly over on YouTube.